Today we're going to do a custom treatment on a highboy with both a chair tie and a cuff. And the reason we do this is that the cuffs sometimes are pretty loose on the table when you put it on. And sometimes you have a client that really wants a nice tight fitted look and they'll use a chair tie and a cuff. So how we're going to do this is we start off by tying the highboy just like we normally would in the wrap style. You want to pay particular attention to how wide your cuff is, because when you tie the highboy in the wrap, you want to make sure that the cuff is going to cover that chair tie that you used for the wrap all the way. So once you have that done, what you're going to do is just take the cuff and tie it off at the very top of the chair tie. Just a real simple knot. Tie that, wrap the tails of the tie around so that they are concealed. And then we're going to pull one edge of the cuff over. Take a pin, just a regular corsage pin, and pin that in place so it'll stay where you left it. Okay? Then the next thing we're going to do is pull the rest of the cuff around nice and tight, nice and snug. And you're going to see we're going to have this raw Velcro edge. So what we want to do is we want to take that, we want to tuck that under so that it conceals the Velcro edge. And then we take another pin and we pin it right at the top and make sure we go through all the layers of the fabric. And this can sometimes be a little difficult depending on which fabric you're working on with. But you do one at the top and pin that in nice and tight. Take another one, pin in at the bottom so that you have both the top and the bottom secured. And then you want to take the rest of your pins and secure it with the other pins just at regular intervals. What I like to do is to secure it with one in the middle, and then go halfway between the top one and the middle, and again halfway between the middle and the bottom one, so that you have 5 relatively evenly spaced pins here. Now, if you're doing more than one of these, what you want to do is make sure that you use the same number of pins in the same configuration so that you get a nice consistent look. But what you end up with is a very tight, clean looking cuff that's not baggy at all. And that's it.